Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different alcohols are given. First one is alkyne with alcohol, second one is alkene with alcohol, third one is benzene with alcohol, fourth one is linear alcohol. You have to arrange these 4 compounds by its acidity. Here the answer is simple if you know the hybridization and its acidity. In the hybridization, electronegativity difference arises due to S character. More the S character, more will be the electronegativity. Because S is more means it's near to nucleus, the coverage is more, so more electronegative. And electronegativity increase the acidity. So if you look at the order, P comes first because of the triple bond, sp carbon more acidic. Then comes R because it has 2 alkene bonds near to each other in benzene, so it comes second. Third one is Q, which is sp2 hybridization, so it comes. Then S is sp3 carbon, it's the least acidic among that. Here the concept you have to learn here is electronegativity in hybridization. Sp hybridization is more acidic due to more S character. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.